My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware type threat called 69. In the video, I will demonstrate to you how exactly this ransomware affects the files. So you can now clearly see that there are no troubles opening the files before the ransomware attack. You can open pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, other data. Regretfully, some computers are vulnerable before the ransomware attacks, and because of that, the ransomware code 69 may be easily injected into the system. The ransomware almost immediately damages the files, and it drops this special readme now ransom note onto the computer screen. It says that your personal files have been encrypted and that you need to pay the ransom and to contact the developers by this email address. The ransomware is called 69 because it appends this special 69 extension to the files. On the other hand, removing the extension manually does not fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted. But you should not pay the ransom. Paying the ransom may result in the loss of your money, and if you paid, there is no guarantee that your files would be restored. I recommend that you urgently remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and begin researching your system. Combo Cleaner should first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. After the anti-malware database of the program is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your system. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner, which is called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks, but this feature is the part of the premium license. At the end of the scan, you will see the information about all the threats which were found during the scanning. You will be able to know the locations of these threats on your system. I strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license, and this is the best solution to keep your files always safe and secure, and to keep your entire computer free of any other threats.